Student Review by Indian Cybersecurity Solutions.
Hello, I'm Dipanwita. I have joined ICSS like 6-7 months ago. I completed my CCNA training from here and I completed my Python training just last week, and now I'm doing my ethical health.
How was the Python training offered to you?
I came across the Python training on the website of our ICSS because ICSS is a great firm which actually helps us to teach things. My Python journey in this institute was very nice. The teachers always have helped me and I have gained a lot of knowledge about Python, which now I can indulge in being a Python developer.
Has the Python training improved your knowledge in the application of it?
Python is a vast industry and Python is something which is a very useful language which helps us to communicate with the computer itself and build applications. Studying here under the guidance of a faculty helped me to know Python, to know about its applications, to apply it at many places, and I think with the knowledge I have gained from learning here, it can help me in various ways.
Would you recommend your friends to join and learn from Indian Cybersecurity Solutions?
I would definitely recommend my friends who are actually watching this video. They should actually come and take the Python classes from here, and also they can take out other classes which they want to join, because our institute has a variety of courses offered, and I think it would be great to study it from various teachers who have good experience, and also they can help you to provide the knowledge you want. And according to your capability, I think this is one of the best institutes which can provide you the knowledge.